my channel. My name is Princess. Thank you for joining me for another video. Today will be another foundation frenzy. Actually, and Urban Decay were nice enough to send me the Urban Decay All Nighter Liquid Foundation. I wanted to try this foundation out for so long, but for some reason I just never got around to giving it a shot. So today, this is what we're going to try out. So before we go ahead and put this on the face, let's talk about the claims. Really quickly, this foundation comes in 24 shades. Per the package, it says the ultimate foundation for a flawless looking complexion. This foundation is supposed to be waterproof, provides complete coverage that lasts all day and all night. It has a modern matte finish, says that it would never look overdone. It says achieve a blown out effect you never thought possible for skin that looks amazing and stays that way, perfect for all night affairs and other scandalous activities. This revolutionary formula is also comfortable enough to wear every day. So they say that this can be a good everyday foundation. It said it is full coverage. Let's see. A little goes a long way. And apparently it says that you don't need to build up the coverage. You don't have to layer it on. It absorbs oil and all that good stuff. It has light diffusing pigments. Okay, so those are the claims of this foundation. Like I said, it comes in 24 shades. This can be purchased at Ulta or Sephora, and it does go for $40. I have mine in the shade 8.75. Again, and this is the packaging. It's really pretty and sleek. And this is the bottle. It comes with an airless pump. And yes, ma'am, that pump. Okay. So again, I think I said I have mine at 8.75, and I hope this works for me. I have not tried it yet, so we're gonna jump right on into it. So I'm gonna prep my skin first. I have this little mini thingamabobber of Smashbox Primer Oil. I got this in one of my beauty bags, I think Ipsy, before I canceled them. I'm going to go ahead and use this because from what I understand about this foundation, it is super matte, and I have very dry skin. So I'm just going to put this on real quick. And y'all, I like to double prime. So what I'm going to do is, so this is a hydrating primer, so I'm gonna go in with my other favorite primer. It is this one, the number 50 serum by It Cosmetics, and this has more of a smoothing quality to it, and I'm just gonna put this in the places that I want to be smooth. I'm going to color correct because I always color correct. I have eczema around my mouth, which contributes to my hyperpigmentation. So I'm just going to use my handy dandy LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange. And I'm going to put that in the areas that I want to correct. And then I'm just going to use some Sascha Buttercup powder to lightly set that so that it doesn't run all over the place. Let's go ahead and get into this foundation. So disclaimer, if you guys hear some little baby cooing and whatnot, I have my daughter in here with me, so she's keeping me company while I can't even talk, y'all. She's keeping me company while I record this video. So let's see here. So I'm going to, how many pumps should I put out here? Let's see how big one pump is. Okay, So this is one pump of the foundation. I'm going to put 2. We might not use it all, but we're going to see. And I'm going to put a little bit of this foundation on my hand, on the back of my hand, because I want to see if it oxidizes. So I'm going to put that back there just so we can refer back to it, okay, while we're doing our makeup. Alright, so I'm going to use 2 different tools to apply my foundation. I'm going to start off with a brush, Real Techniques. What is this? The buffing brush. And I'm going to go back over my entire face with a damp sponge, okay? I tend to like doing that because I feel like I get a better blend, and I'm going to come a little bit closer so you guys can see all of these flaws and whatnot, okay? Alright. Hey, baby. Okay, so I'm just going to, I guess I'll just start on this side. Ooh, it's kind of light. Now, from what I've seen about this foundation, it oxidizes. So let's hope this oxidizes down to, you know, my shade, because right now we're looking a little light. So let's go ahead and blend this in. Alright guys, so here we have it. We have one side of my face with the foundation on, and then the other side with no foundation. Foundation, no foundation. I'm going to go ahead and put foundation on the other side. So here we are. On my full face with the foundation on. What I will say, this foundation smells like paint. Yes, boo, it has a very strong smell. I mean, it goes away, but it smells like paint, okay? I do agree that it is full coverage. I'm already starting to see like some creasing here. I get smile lines and I'm already starting to see creasing, so that's not really happy about that. But it is full coverage. It is buildable to an extent. You definitely don't want to overdo it with this foundation, because this can be one of those foundations that can give you cake face. As you can see, it did oxidize on me. I'm going to show you guys a comparison swatch from a wet version and then how it looks when it dried. Okay, so here's the foundation when you first put it on. It's wet here, and here it is oxidized. Okay, and as usual in my foundation frenzy videos, all of my foundation shades are in the description box below. So if you want to see what my foundation shade is, then you can check the description box below, and it'll give you a good comparison. So all of my foundation shades I have down there. Okay, so as far as a match, I think this is a really good match. My face matches my chest. Okay, and yeah, so far so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put on the rest of my face. I'm going to keep it real simple. I already have my eyes and brows done. I'm just going to put a little concealer under my eyes just so that we can see how this foundation works with other products, and then I'll come back and show you guys what we got. Alright guys, so here is what my face looks like after I applied everything to it. If you're interested in what I have on my face, I'll have a full list of products that I use in the description box below. But let's get into the beat real quick. So my first impressions of this foundation are, I really do like it. When I first put the foundation on, I had automatically started to see some creasing in my smile lines, but I blended that out, and once the foundation actually set, I didn't have that creasing action happening around my smile lines. I do have dry combo, normal to dry skin, I would say. I have some areas of oiliness, but for the most part I have normal to dry skin. Now, you can wear this foundation if you have dry skin. My girls and boys who have oily skin, you're gonna love this foundation because this foundation is matte. Okay, now you can see on my face there is some sheen because I do have highlight, and remember I did use a primer oil because I already knew that this foundation was mattifying. It says so on the box, so you know in order to get the best results out of a foundation application, you have to properly prep your skin based on the type of foundation and also based on your skin type. And so I knew that the foundation was mattifying, and I know that I have dry skin, so I wanted to make sure that my skin was really hydrated under this foundation. Another thing you have to make sure that you do is that you exfoliate your face, like for real. If you have dry skin, boo, before you wear this, please exfoliate. I have an area of patchiness, well, I have an area of dryness, like right here. I use microderm, why can't I talk? Let's try it again. I used microdermabrasion yesterday, and I went in kind of, you know, heavy-handed on this area, and so right here I have some dryness on my face because it's starting to kind of like heal and scab up or whatever, so it's a little flaky. So right there, I do notice that the foundation did kind of collect in that area where that dryness is. So you want to make sure that if you do wear this foundation and you have dry skin, that you exfoliate your skin, that you prep it, moisturize it really well, make sure it's really hydrated under it. And I did set it with the setting spray, which also helps to add some moisture back into it. But what I will say is, y'all, it is so pretty. The color match is like perfection. Do you guys see this match of my face and my chest? Like the color match is so pretty, and I was so nervous because when I pumped it out of that thing, it was light, but it does oxidize, so keep that in mind. So if you buy this at the store, make sure you get probably like a shade lighter or half a shade lighter than what you would get. Yeah, but it looks really pretty. Like I just, y'all, it looks super duper pretty. What do you guys think? I really like it. I really do like it. I like it. So you guys let me know what you think. Leave me your feedback in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about the finish. What do you think about the color? I mean, is it sitting, hunty? Is it sitting? Because I feel like it's sitting. Like, I think this is going to be one of my new favorite foundations. Like, for real, for real. I'm going to play around with it and wear it some more. Can I do a wear test with this foundation today? You know what? I don't think I can do a wear test with this foundation today, only because I got a late start on this video. My baby girl is not feeling well. She just got her shot, so she's up and down with fever. So I don't think I'll be able to get a wear test in with this foundation, but I will update you guys. So if you have questions and you would like for me to come back and do a wear test, let me know. I'll be happy to do that for you guys. But y'all, straight off the bat, I'm here for this foundation. I really, really, really do like it. Like, other products blended on top of this foundation, really good. Liquids, powders, everything. Like, it's sitting, honey. I like it. Like, for real. For real, for real. So, yeah. So that's it, guys. That wraps up our foundation frenzy of the Urban Decay All Nighter Liquid Foundation. Let me know what you guys think. If you found this video helpful, if you like it, if you enjoy videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, and also please share the video. By you liking the video and sharing this video, it really helps me out. It helps to grow my channel. It helps to spread my content in the internet world so that other people can come over and, you know, join our family. And speaking of joining our family, if you have not subscribed to my channel, boo boo, what you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe. I'm gonna wait. You did it? You subscribe? Okay, cool. Cool. Thank you for joining my family, because I know you did. I had so much fun recording this video for you guys. If you have any suggestions or any recommendations of any other foundations that you would like to see in this series, please drop your girl a comment below. I will also leave a link to the playlist for my other foundation reviews up here in the iCard somewhere, and likely in the description box below. And yeah, thank you for kicking it with your girl again. And remember that you are perfectly imperfect. Love all of you, because God does, and so do I. Be blessed until next time.